how do you know when a deal is more suited for a short sale as opposed to a sub 2? And I said, well, it depends on what you're going to do with it. Okay. If a seller calls you today from your marketing and they have a house that's worth 300,000 and they don't owe anything on it. They owe the full price on it. Can you buy it and rent it and make money? Sure. Can you buy it and sell it with seller financing and make money? Sure. If the payment works. So what happens 6 months from now if the market completely tanks and you bought that house for 300 and now it's worth 200? Well, if you have a seller finance buyer in it, they have a decision to make. Are they okay with the house being underwater? If it's their home, 80% of people during the last market crash kept their house. They could afford the payment. It was their home. They just waited it out until the market comes back, because it always does. What if they hand you the keys and walk away and go, hey, man, I owe you more than this house is worth. I don't want it anymore. And a lot of people did that during the last crash. They called it a strategic foreclosure. They said, you know what? I owe way more than this house is worth. I don't really care about it. I'm out. So what do you do when somebody hands you the keys back? You owe 300. The house is worth 200. Can you sell it with seller financing now? No. Can you rent it out? Sure you can. If the payments made sense before with a rental, they probably still will now, because rental rates probably aren't going to fall. In fact, they may actually still continue to go up. So plan B may be a rental. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.